Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your age on your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You need to visit the Xbox website to do this. If you don't have a PC or phone to use a web browser, you can also do this using the built-in web browser app on the Xbox. Open a web browser and go to xbox.com. Sign in to your Xbox account. Note that your Xbox account and Microsoft account are the same thing. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile image at the top right of the screen, and then open My Microsoft Account. From your account page, click on Your Info from the tab at the top. Here you can select Edit Date of Birth. You can change your birthday here and then click Save once done. Your date of birth has been updated on your Xbox account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.